friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. Want to boost your metabolism? Try these drinks. Ever wondered why your friend, even after consuming the entire pint of ice cream, does not gain a pound, while you just eat a bit and it all goes straight to your belly? The answer lies in the metabolism. Metabolism is the rate at which the body burns calories, and much of it is dependent on factors outside of one's control, like gender, age, and the ratio of body muscle to fat, as muscle burns more calories than fat, even when you are resting. Physical exercise also plays an important role in metabolism. On the other hand, weight loss can be a long and a daunting process which requires persistence, obedience, and sacrifice. But other than diet and exercise, there are a few tricks that help you get rid of that stubborn belly fat. Try these 5 drinks that can help boost metabolism and burn belly fat. Green tea. We all are aware of the benefits of that green tea offers. It is made from unfermented leaves and contains high concentrations of antioxidants known as polyphenols. Green tea appears to be the secret to the fat burning and metabolism boosting effects. Drinking around 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day for maximum benefits. Organic green tea is one of the healthiest drinks you can consume. Apple cider vinegar. I do not recommend you do simply drink apple cider vinegar, as it can burn your esophagus. Apple cider vinegar offers many health benefits including weight loss, improved digestion, and boosts metabolism. Apple cider vinegar contains an ingredient called acetic acid, which can prevent a person from gaining body fat. You can mix 2 teaspoons of organic unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 16 ounces of water and a little raw honey to sweeten it up. Sipping it throughout the day can help boost metabolism, burn calories, and help you lose weight. Vinegar has long been used as a weight loss aid, as it also helps to make you feel full and has been scientifically shown to increase satiety. Vegetable juice. Fresh vegetable juices with spinach, broccoli, and other green leafy vegetables are a great way to flush out the harmful toxins out of your system to support weight loss and a faster metabolism. Vegetables that are packed with potassium are especially good for flushing out sodium that keeps the belly bloated. One great trick for weight loss involving vegetable juice is to drink a big glass just before a meal. Similar to drinking water before eating a meal, it is likely to help reduce the amount of calories you consume by making you feel fuller for longer. Lemon water. Lemon water may be extremely simple and an effective way to get rid of belly fat. All you need to do is mix the juice of a lemon into a glass of water. It offers tons of benefits, including the ability to raise the metabolism and burn belly fat. You can whip up some in a large water bottle and sip on it throughout the day for the best results. Not only will you stay hydrated, which keeps the metabolism burning at its maximum, but lemons contain flavonoids with potent antioxidant properties that will help protect your cells from damage. Lemon water also aids in digestion, helping the body to absorb the nutrients from other foods, and it aids in regulating insulin spikes too. Water. Staying hydrated is extremely important for metabolism. Cold water in particular is said to help the body burn more calories, as it requires that energy to heat it up and digest it later on. While it may only be a small amount, every little bit counts. For added benefit, drinking a glass of water before every meal can help you to consume fewer calories, as you will feel full. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.